Hello students, hope you all are fine. Let us start our third video. In our previous video, we have started with Science and Technology, chapter number 9, where we have covered few of the topics of this chapter, that is, what is social health? Then we have studied various factors affecting social health. Also started with factors disturbing social health, where we studied various factors that disturb social health, that include mental stress, which we have already studied, addiction, incurable disease. We have started with communication media and excessive use of modern technology. Continuing with the same, let us recall some of these. First one. Do you recall the sudden closing of any cartoon serial of foreign origin being telecast on television? Students, do you remember any such foreign cartoon serial which has been banned? You remember one of the cartoon serial named Shin Chan? This serial, if you remember, this cartoon serial were loved by the kids. The character in this cartoon serial named Shin Chan were loved by the kids a lot. It was found that kids watching this cartoon serial started behaving like the cartoon character named Shin Chan, due to which parents face lots of problem. So, by the request of the parents, this cartoon is banned now. Let us see the second case, that is detail on happening about blue whale game. Student, do you remember this game? Which was loved by the people few years back, but now it is banned in India as well as many other countries of the world. If you remember, this game was of 50 days, where each day a dangerous challenges were given, like late night going out of your house, or late night watching horror movies, and so on. Each day various challenges were given, and on the last 50th day, the last day challenge was either the player has to jump from the tall building or the player has to suicide, due to which 5 Indian kids has lost their life. That is why this blue whale game is banned in our country. This is what so many times it happen, that children, those who live alone, or their parents are outdoors, not staying with them due to some reason of job or some other reason, such child get trapped in such type of games. Another example you can take nowadays, you will see there is a trend of playing PUBG game, which is very much liked by many of the people. Students, want to tell you that don't get yourself indulge in such virtual life. Always live in reality. If you have any problem in your life, discuss with your near and dear ones. Talk to your parents, friends, teachers to sort your problem. Do not get stressed. So these are the two examples which is given in front of you. So let us proceed further. Children who watch cartoon films many times imitate the character of those films and start behaving like those characters. As we, if you remember, just now we have recalled one of such example of cartoon serial named Shin Chan. Then games available on cell phones and computers are time consuming, cause economic losses and lose concentration on some essential subjects, and also prove fatal, means it also causes death. Many times you will see website, movies and cartoon inappropriate for children are now banned by the government due to all such reason, where the child get totally trapped in all such cartoon movies or games. That is why now the government has age limit for certain website, movies and cartoon films. Many a time you will see people get indulged in distractive and unnatural activities, like activities are under stress, and these activities are stress bursting. Many a time you will see get indulged in distractive and unwanted activities, means start hitting the children, those who are not studying, or any social helpers who beat the children, make video and that video become viral. So people, many time you will see that nowadays it's a trend of clicking selfie. So people indulging in selfie is not aware about the world around and the risk. This is called selfie side. Always, as I've told you, it has become a trend to click the selfies and upload the pictures, but we are not aware around the world and the risk that might happen. So such incident is called as selfie sites. Many a time you might have seen roadside while clicking selfies on high mountains, at adventurous place, while clicking selfies people come across with various accident. This is called as selfie sites. Getting yourself indulged in any such activities that can prove dangerous or fatal to the life. Hence, though cell phone is available, but we should make constructive use of communication media like television, phones and internet for essential need and entertainment only. Students, always remember this communication media should be used. It's one of the modern technique, but it should be used only up to certain limit, either in some need, either for entertainment, but up to certain limitation. Proceeding further, our next topic is cybercrime. You might have heard many a time various crime occurs, but let us see what is the cybercrime. Cybercrime is criminal activities done by using computer or any electronic device with the help of internet. By using computer, by using any electronic device is called as, with the help of internet is called as cybercrime. Some of the examples of cybercrime that has been given, like hacking into personal accounts. Many times you will see account of a person is hacked, information is leaked, and the amount in that account is clear. Second one is hacking into work database. Confidential file, many times it is seen in big companies and factories that the confidential data of the company is hacked by some of the people, which is one of the crime. Various forms on internet theft and fraud. Many time it is said, many time forms are available on internet which gives some of the opportunity. Later on when come to know that these forms are a fraud. Then another example, schemes and scams based on fake websites. You will see websites are available on the internet. Those websites ask to fill various forms and personal details. Proceeding further, it leads that this website is fake, there is no such website available. But in the meantime, the information, your personal information is gone in the wrong hand. So all such incident is lead to cybercrime. Then you have various credit related theft. Many times credit card, ATM number, credit card code is hacked by the people, and misuse of credit or debit card is done. So that leads to cybercrime. Cybercrime unit has been newly launched in police department. So there is a particularly cybercrime unit which is newly launched in the police department, where these people look after all these activities carried out by the criminals. Cybercrime expert collect the detailed, investigate the crime, and thereby find the criminal with the help of internet. So in cybercrime unit, there are special people who investigate the crime, find out the criminals with the help of the internet. So students, hope you have understood till here. So never get yourself indulged in any sort of such activities, neither on cell phone whenever you receive any of the call from the bank or from any of the personal companies. Never give your information. Always remember, bank never ask your personal information on cell phone. Only once when you have to open the account, at that time you have to give your personal information. After that, if you receive any such call where a particular person on the call ask for your personal information like your account number, your PIN number, you should never disclose. They take all your personal information and might clear all your accounts. Coming to the proceeding further, coming to the next topic, that is stress management. What is stress management? Stress management consists of making changes to your life if you are in constant stressful situation. Changing your life means change in your life when you are where there is a situation in front of you, that situation causes you stress. Preventing stress by practicing self-care, to practice self-care and relaxation. Managing your response stressful situation when they do occur. Stress management is to manage your stress, to change the situation, or if you face, or further how you will manage the stressful situation that is in front of you. That is called as stress management. There are different ways to minimize stress. For example, joining laughter club. Early morning you might have seen. Many times you will see in garden old people standing in group. They laugh loudly. So that is one of the best way to reduce the stress, that is to join laughter club. Second one is communicating with friend, peer, cousin, teacher, parents. To communicate to your friends, to your near one, to your dear ones. Talk to your friends, to your peer, to your peers, to cousin, to your teachers, to your parents. Noting down of feelings, that is another one of the way to reduce the stress. Fostering on a hobby like material collection, photography, reading, then cooking, drawing, dancing, learning, listening to music, singing, keep us happy and drive away the stress. These are some of the activities that are given that help us to manage the stress or minimize the stress, which is very much essential. Student, whenever you are in stress, you try to do all such activities where you will see these activities really work to reduce the stress. Or carry out your favorite things that you like to do. Either you like singing, start singing. If you like to cook when you're stressed, start cooking. If you like drawing, start drawing. This really helps to reduce the stress. Another few of the example, that is regular exercising also helps to reduce the stress. Yoga, meditation helps the student to improve concentration in their studies. Yogasan, meditation helps to relax the mind, which help in increasing the concentration of the students. However, if you'll see, if these activities are not successful in certain reason, many time if you'll see the person, this activity does not stress in certain case where still the person is under stress, so it may lead to some of the serious problem like depression and frustration. So in such case, if the stress is not overcome by such activity, then the person might go under depression. Also the person become frustrated. So for such person there are medical advice, counseling and physiotherapy are available for such person. Medical advice, consult the doctor. Then counseling, if you remember, in our school also counseling is done, where if student having such problem can consult the doctor, the counselor can consult the psychotherapist, who can help to overcome your depression and frustration. Similarly, if you'll see, there are many NGOs also provide helping hand for such people. Other than this, other than medical advice, counseling, psychotherapy, there are also many NGOs that helps to overcome the stress. Few of them that is given is Unified Movement Against Tobacco, Salam Mumbai Foundation. There are various government schemes. So let us see the first one, that is Unified Movement Against Tobacco, where you will see this movement has been started by 45 well organized, well known organization like WHO, Tata Trust, etc. First one, that is Unified Movement Against Tobacco, where this movement is active for controlling the tobacco consumption and providing guidance to activists against tobacco. Unified Movement Against Tobacco has been started by 45 different well-known organizations like WHO, Tata Trust, where this foundation work on the people, those who are addicted to tobacco, to overcome with that, and also give guidance against activities against the tobacco. This is one of them. Another one is Salam Mumbai Foundation. This foundation run program in various schools to empower the children, especially those living in slum areas, to empower them in the field of education, sports, arts and business, so that students should come forward. This organization also help the student to improve their healthy lifestyle. This program is implemented by the government and helped many of the people, many of the children to get education in various fields. Last one is government scheme. Various phone numbers, helpline numbers you will see are published in newspaper to help the children to overcome the stress if they are facing any sorts of problem. So students, hope you all have understood with the chapter. Here we finish up with the end with the chapter, that is chapter number science to chapter number 9 social health. So let us go through the exercise. This is the exercise given in your textbook, page number 108. So students, hope you have understood the chapter. Go through the exercise and always every day read your textbook. Whatever you have seen in the video, always create an habit of reading the textbook. Thank you.